Hi everyone, just here to unpack this. It's an Endurax camera bag, large one. It's for cameras, but you can use it for pretty much anything you want. It's a backpack. There's no roller wheels or anything, so it's pure backpack or bag. I'll get this plastic off and we'll start having a look at it. I'll put a link in the description for it as well later. Let's get rid of this plastic. It's a bit hard trying to do this on here because we've got limited space, but anyway. So, okay, we'll just have a look at the back first. Okay, so you've got straps. I was looking at another one, and it had pockets on these as well. Now, I don't know whether you can remove that. Doesn't seem like, so you can't remove these, so they're part of it. But has a strap to hold the two shoulder straps together, which is good because a lot of the time you'll find that these, well, I find that they try to start slipping off. You've got some D-rings here to hook some things on, which is going to be handy, I imagine. Feels quite well padded here. It's quite well padded. It's got some good padding on the back here as well. We'll just have a look at this setup instructions. Now I bought this because I really want to be able to put two DSLRs or mirrorless cameras in here, but it's also got like an area at the top, so I was thinking I could probably slide a camera into there so that I can quickly get it in and out, and then have the other body with the zoom sitting in there for when you're going to take it off and use it. So it shows a few configurations, but I also may put a drone in here. But I did buy another bag. It wasn't suitable because it opened at the back. Anyway, let's have a look at we'll have a look at the side. Okay, so you've got just a general pocket, I suppose. They're always handy. You can shove a drink in there, shove a small tripod, something. Looks like we've got okay, so we've got pockets on the side as well. Okay, well that's handy. Okay, we've got a few. You can stick a few things under there. Another pocket there. Can't have too many pockets, I don't think. Top. Okay, so it's got a compartment for a laptop now. Probably I won't carry a laptop, but sometimes I do take a tablet. I'll just swing this out. Okay. Well, it's got quite a few. Okay, it's got quite a few things. I don't know, you probably can't see that. Hang on, So, it's got some little bag that velcros onto here. You probably can put some cables or something. You can put some other things, hold them onto there. This is velcroed on, so you can actually pull that off. But this is a fairly stiff top. Let's have a look here. Okay, so once you open that, you've got full access to the bag by the look of it. Yeah, okay. Alright. Some dividers. Looks like you can move these around to wherever you want. That seems like there's enough room there for... I'm not sure whether I'd like a camera sitting with the screen sitting there, but I'll have a look further into that later. But yeah, you can definitely sit a fairly large zoom in there with the body on, or something else. You could put a drone or something. It's probably what I'll end up doing, probably put drone down there or something. We'll see. Something about a little note to the customer. Okay, that's a nice touch, I suppose. Don't know why they've chosen to put red here. I don't know what that's all about. And I'm not sure if I'm going to use this. Actually, I might Velcro that onto this other section up the top, which is just out of shot up there, because when I open it, I want to be able to access things straight away. Like I said, I'm probably not going to carry a laptop, so it's probably no big deal for me. Anyway, so we'll close that up. Yeah, I'll close this up as well. So yeah, this is quite thick, and it's not hard. It is soft, but that should be enough to stop any impacts. Okay, so then part of the reason why I like this idea is I didn't know it had that, but that's not a bad idea too. You can strap something to the top, but you've got a compartment here, so you don't have to open the main one. Okay, yeah, there's plenty of room to get a mirrorless camera in there with a lens on it, maybe something else, or drone and some batteries. Might even get a small drone and a controller in there. Yeah, actually, probably could do that and then carry the rest of the gear in here. Anyway, I'll sort that out as I go. Let's see what else there is. Yeah, we did that side. So these two sides mirror each other. So you've got another pocket and zip. They're the same on both sides. The internal, I'd imagine, would be the same. I'll just check it to see if it is the same or not. Not sure I like this idea. No, it's not the same in there. Okay, so it's actually different. I don't know why they've got that going down there, but anyway, yeah, so it actually is different. This is just an open pocket, doesn't have any extra pockets inside it. Excuse me. So, okay, now we've got another. What's this? Maybe that's for the laptop. No? Yeah. Okay, yeah, you could probably... Yes, you could fit a laptop or something in there, and it's quite well padded too. So, lots of places to put things. If you've got something flat, I've got a tablet. Probably you can put the tablet in there. You could put phones in here. Maybe I might even use that to put a charging, because I carry battery banks. Maybe I'll put a battery bank in there, and we'll see. Depends if I can feel it when I've got it on my back. But you could have the cable coming out the top. That'd be quite handy. Or even on one of these sides, actually, you could do that. Okay, so that looks like a reasonable pack. Yeah, now I bought this. I had some. I had another one. I had some other packs, and I literally wore them out over 10 years or whatever. It literally fell apart. So yeah, I needed another one. I've got smaller ones, but yeah. Anyway, what I'll do, I think that's it. That gives an idea. If you've got any questions, just put them in the comments, and I'll try and respond as I'm using it. Tell you what I'm thinking. I also will maybe do an update, or maybe put a comment telling people after I've used it for a while what I think of it. It wasn't too expensive. A lot of, you can spend $300 on a bag like that, like this. This was nothing, like nowhere near that price. The price probably goes up and down, but yeah, I will update if there's anything interesting to tell, but looks like this one will be a keeper from what I can see. So thanks for watching, and catch you next time.